On Amazon, returns are managed from Orders, Manage Returns. In this section, you can see the return requests from buyers. Buyers will give the reason for the return and also a comment. A seller can choose to authorize the return, deny the request if it doesn't come within Amazon's policy, issue an immediate refund, or contact the buyer. Bear in mind that customers have the right to return items for pretty much any reason up to 30 days after it's been delivered. Something else to bear in mind about returns is often customers will use it as a form of communication. When they should send a message, they will start a return request. Returns work a little differently for Prime eligible orders, that is FBA orders, or orders sent by Seller Fulfilled Prime, SFP. These orders will be automatically authorized if they fall within the return period. For Seller Fulfilled Prime orders, Amazon will issue buyers with a prepaid return label, and the cost of this return label can be deducted from the final refund. To properly manage customer returns, there are a number of settings that sellers should set before they start selling. Authorizations can either be done manually or they can be automatically approved. Sellers can offer free return labels to customers or ask them to pay for their own returns. They can issue their own return numbers or have Amazon set one automatically for them. They can specify a return address and also automatic messages which go to the customers. Settings for returns are set in Settings, Return Settings. Let us look at General Settings now. You can opt to receive an email with links to authorize, close, or reply to return request. So that means that you won't have to log into the Amazon system. You can choose whether to automatically authorize returns or authorize each request individually. For the return postage label, you can choose whether Amazon will provide an unpaid postage label. You can provide your own prepaid postage label. Amazon has a new scheme to enable sellers to provide buyers with prepaid postage labels, which Amazon will provide themselves. Once a return has been authorized, you can specify the message that Amazon will send to the buyer. This information is marketplace specific, so you can set, for example, a different one for Amazon Germany and a different one for Amazon France, etc. Finally, it is vitally important to set the right return address. Different return addresses can be set for different marketplaces. It is important to remember that Amazon insists you have a local return address for each market. So that means if you are selling in Amazon France, you need to have a French address, Amazon Germany, a German address, etc. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.